Welcome to the O'Connor Elder Law channel. I'm your host, Melissa O'Connor. I recently had a inquiry. A person had a child that passed away, and they wanted to be the personal representative designated to administer their adult child's estate. Unfortunately, when we were doing the inquiry, it became clear that the prospective personal representative, the parent, had a felony conviction from many years prior, an old felony conviction. However, Florida law is clear that convicted felons are ineligible to serve as personal representatives. And indeed, there was case law that I was able to provide this person with that makes it very clear, even if you are the sole beneficiary to the estate, but you are a convicted felon, you cannot serve as the personal representative for that estate, even though you're the only one. And it makes sense. It doesn't make sense from a beneficiary standpoint why being a convicted felon would be a bar when they're the only person that's the beneficiary under the estate. But when you look at it holistically and realize that the personal representative's job is more than just to disperse probate assets to the beneficiaries, it's also to handle and address creditors' applications, you may see why the Florida legislature had put in a bright line rule why a convicted felon is ineligible to serve as a personal representative to probate estates in the state of Florida. Until such time that there's a change in the statutes, that is the bright line rule. It doesn't matter that your felony conviction is not related to any sort of fraud or mishandling or anything like that. It could be completely different. There's no basis. We don't look at the nature of the felony conviction. The bright line is convicted felons are ineligible to serve as personal representatives. So some might find that to be a great bright line. Others might find that to be disheartening. But until there is a change in the law, that is the law. And convicted felons aren't able to serve as personal representatives. And I had to relay that unfortunate news to this person and help them find somebody else that would be appropriate to serve as the personal representative for their child's estate. If this content has been helpful to you, please feel free to like and to share. And I wish you the best. Thank you.